Mula sa Baguio, bumiyahe tayo papuntang Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. So ano nga bang makikita natin dito and what can we learn from this very dynamic city? By the way, we chose as always Philippine Airlines for our more than 2-hour flight from Manila. Smooth ride, very comfortable. Ang Ho Chi Minh City ang pinakamalaking lungsod dito sa Vietnam, formerly known as Saigon. May tropical monsoon climate ito with an average temperature of around 28 degrees Celsius. Unang napansin ko, akala ko makikita ko yung mga spaghetti wires along the roads, like what I saw in the photo long before. Pero nagulat ako, malinis siyang tingnan. Yun pala, matagal na silang may project na i-underground ang power at telecom lines nila. From early pilot streets hanggang citywide expansion, talagang sineryoso nila ang urban planning. Hindi pa perfect everywhere, pero kitang-kita mo na may direction sila papunta sa modern at smart city. Ang galing ba? Lesson learned, long-term planning really pays off. Second thing I noticed, ang daming motor. As in, the city literally runs on two wheels. With millions of motorbikes on the road, ito talagang pangunahing mode of transport nila. Makikita mo, pumapasok sa trabaho, naghatid ng mga bata, may kargang mga goods, may konting chaos, yes, but may sarili silang rhythm ba? Alam mo yung kahit magulo, alam mong gumagalaw pa rin ang lahat. And if you really want to experience Saigon, try mo sumakay ng motor. Sana matry ko one of these days. Third, ang kanilang food. Grabe, first day pa lang, masarap na agad yung natikman naming food. And yes, dito mo talaga may experience ang Guess the Bill Challenge sa restaurant. Kasi instant millionaire ka talaga. Imagine, 1 peso is more than 440 dong. Bigla ka na lang mapapaisip, uy, million na bill mo. Pero legit, their noodles are next level. Hindi bitchin, very flavorful at honestly nakaka-addict for me. By the way, kasama ko mga pinsan ko and we're staying here at Le Méridien. Check this out, ang ganda ng ambience ng room. Super comfortable at sa harap lang nito ang famous Saigon River. Natanaw mo from the swimming pool area ng hotel. Aside from being a tourist destination, this river is a living witness sa history ng kanilang syudad. From wars to development hanggang sa modern Saigon today. Dito rin daw mismo naglayag si Uncle Ho noong 1911 sa paghahanap ng kalayaan para sa kanilang bansa. Ngayon pwede ka na mag-river cruise, sunset tours, at makita ang transition ng city from old villages to skyscrapers. Perfect siya for sightseeing and reflection. So yes, that's it muna for our first day here. Chill muna, tas pool time, konting mahinga, and then syempre, food trip ulit. Marami pa tayong matutuklasan sa syudad na ito, kaya see you tomorrow!